are you as a videographer, dude? Is it set?
Yes, should be set.
Is it set? Can you see my head?
Yes.
Okay. Let it go. Stop. Okay. Hey, oh wow. Can't see my head down this way. Welcome back to another edition of Canvas Can, the Haro Freestyle Bike Restoration Part 1,000,005. Anyways, we're back here. We got the last episode we put the wheels on. Got the brakes sort of set, but we need to get the chain on so we can actually adjust them properly. So that's what we're going to do today. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the Park Tool CT5 brake or chain tool kit, and it's kind of cool because it allows us to disassemble the chain. Because we have a new chain. We have the new KMC chain provided to us by our good friends over at Fort Worth Cycle in River Oak, California, River Oak, Texas. Okay, off of 183 there in North Fort Worth, or kind of central Fort Worth. So, all right, buddy, come on over here and help us out.
Okay.
Okay, let me go ahead and get this open. Go ahead and have a seat there. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to, since that chain is longer than the chain that we have, we need to disassemble the chain so that we can count how many links that we need. And to do that, we're going to use this handy dandy little tool. So let's just scoot back just a little bit, buddy, so that they can see what we're doing. Okay? If you watched any of our other videos on the bike build, there's one that has us out there. Oh, look at that, Jack. It's a KMC. What's that?
KMC.
All right, cool. We're using factory sort of stuff. If you notice in one of our other videos, you see me, I whacked my finger here. Whacked my finger with a hammer. It hurt like a dickens. So it's okay. I'm a big wailing, cried a little bit. Huh, Jack?
Yeah.
Huh, monkey boy. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put this in there. And then basically what happens is once you get it set, like so, it's just a matter of just turning it like this, and you run the pin out. Run the pin out. Once the pin is out, back it off, pull it out.
Did you break it?
Not yet.
Good. No.
You're not breaking something, you're fixing something.
Oh wait, that's the...
That's the old chain. But that's what Chucky 2009 says. If you ain't breaking something, you ain't fixing something. There we go. Okay, so now we got it loose. So now... Okay, now we're going to count our links. Okay, you want to count the full links, the outer links.
Bum, bum,
All right, YouTube, we're back. Had to do a little bit of readjusting here. What is happening is that there's a little bit too much, as you can see, there's too much play in the head here. I'm trying to figure out why. And I'm wondering if this head bolt, this head needs to go down just a little bit more. So, what we're gonna do.
Are we shooting off that camera or this camera?
Huh?
Are we shooting off that camera or this
We're
camera?
doing both, Jack. We're shooting off of both. Okay? We're shooting off both. Just like we have been all day. Right? That wrench. What wrench is this?
Monkey wrench.
This is what?
The flexible one.
The adjustable one.
Link in the description what video we showed
Yeah.
about this one. It was really cool how we figured out how to use this.
It's actually an adjustable wrench.
Whoa!
Oh!
Oh, that didn't break.
A little too tight. Let's make sure the handlebars are straight. Looks straight to me.
Yep, straight.
Much better.
About 2 weeks we've been working on this.
Mm-hmm. Off and on for 2 weeks. Actually, this is our third Sunday working on it.
It's third Sunday.
Yep.
Like I said. Well, it doesn't really count as a third week, but
Okay. I want you to go ahead and sit on this.
okay.
Okay. Sit down.
Seat could be put down a little bit more.
Okay. Let's see. Let's get off. Yeah, let's get off.
Put it there.
Again, this is all about the. Whoa, hey, we lost our feed here. All right, go ahead and back up, Jack. Let's move this out of the way. Out of the way. Okay, good. Back up. Just a little bit more. About there. Go forward just a little bit more. This way. There we go. Alright, so we got that, we got that. So now, we're looking for the seat. Which do you like better? You like this one or that one better? Position of it, the feel. Like that one better? Good?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Move that down.
Go to position 1.
Okay.
This one good?
Yes, sir. That looks perfect. Maybe tighten it down a little bit more.
There you go. All right, buddy. Hang on. All right, YouTube. The boys' maiden voyage. But before he goes on his maiden voyage, well, Jack, come forward just a little bit more. Right about there. Okay. All right, YouTube, thank you for this journey that you've been on with us. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Again, hit the little bell for the icon to let the notification. It's been a pleasure with sharing this adventure with you. Jack, what do you think? Has it been fun?
Yes, it's been fun.
Okay. The next videos, you're going to see him terrorizing the property on his new Haro Freestyle BMX bike. Jack, got anything to say?
Put a like if you like it. Put a dislike if you don't like it. Say why you don't like it, or say why you do like it. Say how we could improve this. Comment what you want to see us do next for our series.
Father-son series.
Father-son series, yes.
Yep, or father-daughter series. If you got a daughter and you need something to do, we'll figure something out. Okay. Hey, I want to say thank you to the men and women that are serving in the United States Navy, the Marine Corps, Air Force, and Army.
Thank
God
you.
bless you guys. You guys are in our thoughts and prayers every night. This video is brought to you by the Department of Defense. As retired Navy Senior Chief, I just want to say thank you all for having a great day. Hoo-yah, Navy! Canvas out. Remember, if Canvas can do it.
You can.
What's the worst case you can do?
You have to take it to the shop.
Good job, buddy. All right.